Hi guys, we received this professional ultrasonic cleaner for viewing purposes. It has a 2.5 liters capacity. So let's take it out of the box. Comes with the instructions, some pliers, okay, and a cloth. And this is the proper main unit, okay. You can use it with different stuff like jewelry, glasses, some waterproof watches, makeup brushes, and even shaver heads, okay. This is a energy cable. We have this basket to take off the things, and right here we can connect it, okay. You can set it with a timer depending on what you're gonna use, okay. And in here we have the manual, okay. It also has the suggested applications like jewelry, watches, glasses, toiletry items, some office equipment, and even metal items like coins, knife, some baby pacifier. So I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and use it. Okay, so I've already have some water in here. Let's pour it out. Okay, let's take the power cord and connect it to the outlet, okay? We can select the timer with this button, 9, 6, or 3 minutes. And as you can see, I have several coffee items in here. Let's place them under the water. This. Okay, and we're gonna place the lid and turn it on, okay? Okay, now it's finished cleaning. You can use the basket to take the things out. Okay, and we can see the water gets cloudier, okay, as you can see. So as you can see, it's easy to use. Just plug it in and select the timer and turn it on. It works perfectly, and it's nice that it has the basket and all, okay. So because it's so easy to use, I will recommend it. See you.